Welcome to Newton Nissan. This is just a quick tutorial on the Nissan owner portal on a couple of items there that you will find very beneficial if you're a Nissan owner. One of those is manuals and guides, okay? Manuals and guides. So if you have purchased a used Nissan and didn't come with books, or you've misplaced your books, you can go here and let's say, for example, that you own an Altima, okay? You can choose your vehicle, which is your model, choose your year, okay? Click on View Manuals and Guides, and they have them in PDF format. So there's an owner's manual, for example, navigation. Quick reference guide is the fast and furious overview of your vehicle, okay? And there's also like warranty, information booklet, and service and maintenance in here as well. So that's the manuals and guides section of the Owners Portal. You can go to owners.nissanusa.com to pull up this website. You can also join the portal, okay, and plug in your vehicle information, which is quite handy to do. Additionally, there are quick guide videos. So if there is a feature on your vehicle that you're not sure about, you can go in, select a vehicle, select an Altima, for example. Let's say that you want to know about remote engine start, and there will be a video to explain that feature to you.
The remote start operating range is approximately 200 feet from the vehicle.
So those videos are quick, they're easy, and it's a great way to learn more about your vehicle. So those are two features of the Nissan Owners Portal.